Canadian. I do all kinds of videos on fashion, fashion hauls, beauty tutorials, vlogs, how-to videos, all sorts of fun things. So if you're into any of those things, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on my future videos. Okay, today is super exciting. I did a little AERIE shopping, and so I'm going to be trying on everything right here next to me as I normally do during my videos. So don't forget to leave me a comment below. Let me know what you guys thought of each item. But I love AERIE. I've been going to AERIE for years. I think they're awesome for pajamas, underwear, bras, swimsuits, casual clothes, kind of like beachy clothes, sweatshirts, leggings, things like that. So let me know if you guys like AERIE. Even though I am over 40, I do think I can still shop there. So let me know what you guys think of the items that I chose for this haul. Okay, first, I'm going to start with this sweatshirt. You're gonna laugh. My husband pretty much said it looks like I picked it up off the street because it's this distressed sweatshirt right here. I absolutely love cozy, lightweight sweatshirts just to hang out in. I think this one is super cute. I know that it's all distressed and my mother would be ashamed, but I love these kind of sweatshirts. So it's just really cute. I love the color. This one comes, I believe, in white as well, so I think it'd be really, really cute in white. I figured I'd grab it in this color because I don't have anything this color that looks like this. So let me know what you guys think of this, but I love this. We're gonna go camping this summer. I think this would just be a perfect item, just sitting around the campfire, having some s'mores. I think it's just perfect. The price for all these items, everything was pretty much on sale. This fleece sweatshirt I think was regularly like $45. Yep, and I got it for $22. So I will try and find everything and link it below if you guys are interested in finding out more about the item or what kind of material it is or fabric, and if it's still available, I will try and link it, or I will also try and link something similar. So make sure you check the description box for more information, or if you would like to take a look at the item, or if you'd like to purchase the item. So I really needed some swimsuits. My mission was to find a good high-waisted bottom, and I think I found it. I would have liked it to be more of a full coverage bottom, but this one's not bad. You guys can let me know if you think it looks okay on me. So it is this bottom right here. It's got some really nice embroidery I thought would be really, really cute. I just bought the bottoms because I figured I could just wear it with a black top, which I already have. So I did not buy the matching top, but you can definitely get it. There is probably 2 or 3 different options. And again, if I find those options as well, I will link them down below. But it is a little bit cheeky. So it does show a little bit of my cheeks, but I really don't care. I don't think it's that big of a deal. It's not insulting. I know I'm over 40, but I did choose the high-waisted option, so I figured maybe just show off a little bit in the cheek region would be okay. So I was just really looking for a good high-waisted suit, and I think this one's pretty cute. I don't know, let me know what you guys think of how it looks. Got a size medium in the high-waisted bottom. The price, I think they're regularly $30. I got them for $22. So on sale, great price. Okay, so the next item I got was this Bandeau top. And it is basically like the opposite of the bottom. So it's a cream colored base with the black stitching. I could wear it with the high-waisted bottoms, but I want to wear this like I'm showing here in the try-on with just some of my plain black bottoms. I think it's going to look really, really cute. These right here straps are removable right there, so which is an awesome option to have it just be Bandeau, so you don't get any funky tan lines. This is a size large, just for reference. I normally wear like a 34C, 36C, just depends. I have worn a D cup before, but normally I'm a C cup, 34, 36, depending on the bra brand, if that gives you an idea. But normally with AERIE suits, I think they're tailored for the younger generation, so everything runs a little small, so that is why I went ahead and got the large. So I'm really happy with this one. I think it looks good, and so far I feel like it can stay on. I haven't worn it actually outside yet, but we will see. So let me know what you guys think of this Bandeau top. regularly $35 and it is on sale for $26. And the prices may be different by the time, you know, you go looking for the item or whatever. It could be sold out or whatnot. But I just bought these last week or this past weekend. So everything should be pretty much up to date. When you see this video, it's only probably been 5 or 6 days. So not too bad. And the price I thought was awesome. Normally I pay over $100 for a bathing suit, top and bottom option. So to get one piece for $20, $25, $22, $26, I think is a good deal. The last item is probably going to go back. So let me know what you guys think, but it just didn't work out for me. I think for my age, being over 40, wasn't age appropriate. The fit was just not quite right, and I don't really think going up or down a size is going to matter, but let me know what you think. So this last item is a white one-piece bathing suit. I have been dying for a good one-piece that doesn't make me look too granny, or that isn't too tight, or doesn't show off more of my bad areas, you know, that sort of thing. So I thought this one would be awesome. It's white. It is not see-through at all. So if you're looking for a good white bathing suit in terms of the fabrication, I think this one is really nice. It's got some ribbing, kind of hard to see there with it being white. It is lined, as you can see, and it has the padding, which is nice. I like it that it's not a halter. I'm really not a fan of the bathing suits that go around the neck. They tend to really bug me, and I think it's because it's just trying to hold up the chest. So the halter tends to really kind of kink my neck up. So I thought this one would be perfect. It's not too low in the back, so it's still a little bit sexy, but not overly sexy. But I just think this is way too cheeky for me. So I needed something a little bit more full coverage, not so much granny, but this one is, I think, is just a little too much skin showing, and you guys can see next to me here while I'm trying it on. And then also this area here is just got way too much boob action. I mean, the side boob is just about ready to come out. I don't think it would because of the padding and it's pretty secure, but it just looks like it's just gonna pop out at any time. That is just not for me. I almost like thought about maybe getting some sort of like strand put in from there to there just to connect the two to kind of hold it together, but I just don't think that's going to work out. I'm sure I can find another bathing suit that I don't have to alter. But other than those things, this is a good quality bathing suit for the price especially. The regular price on this is $55, which isn't bad. Sale price $21.98, so $22. I think the price is awesome. But I'm gonna go ahead and link some different white bathing suits down below that I'm contemplating purchasing. Those probably will work out a little better for me, but it's really pretty. It's not see-through, so I love that. It's just not going to work for me, but let me know what you guys think. Okay, so that is everything I've purchased from AERIE. I really like these items. Too bad that the white bathing suit didn't work out, but I will be returning that for sure. Anyway, let me know what you guys think of these items. If you think that's something you would wear, please give me a thumbs up if you like these kind of videos. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys.